In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Microsoft Teams meeting ID. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this either via the official website or through the application, depending on your preference. If you're using a web browser, navigate to the Microsoft Teams site. If you prefer the app, just launch it from your device. Once you've opened Microsoft Teams, the next thing you'll need to do is sign in. You'll want to enter your email address associated with your Teams account, followed by your password. Make sure you input these details correctly to avoid any login issues. After you've successfully logged in, take a moment to look at the menu located on the left side of your screen. Here, you should see several icons, and what you're looking for is the calendar icon. Click on that calendar icon to view all the virtual meetings you have scheduled. This is where you can manage and review your upcoming meetings. Once you've clicked on the calendar icon, scroll through your calendar to find the specific meeting for which you need the meeting ID. Take a moment to locate it carefully, as this will be essential for the next steps. When you've found your meeting, select it to view the meeting details. At the top of this screen, you should see an Edit button. Click on that Edit button to enter the Meeting Details section, where you can make changes if needed and also find the information you need. Next, scroll down through the Meeting Details area. You are looking for a section specifically labeled for the meeting ID. This is where you'll find a unique numerical identifier associated with your meeting. Take note of the meeting ID, which is usually clearly listed at the bottom of this section. This numerical identifier is crucial for those who want to join the meeting, so make sure you can see it well. Once you've located the meeting ID, you have a couple of options. You can either write it down or copy it, depending on what is most convenient for you. If you plan to share this ID with your meeting attendees, ensure that it's accurately noted so they can join smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully found your Microsoft Teams meeting ID. Whether you're setting up a meeting or sharing it with colleagues, knowing how to access this ID can make your virtual meetings much more organized. Thank you for joining me today as we walk through this process. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to comment below. Happy meeting!